Welcome. This is how to remove channels from WhatsApp. So, first thing is just simply go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application into your device. Now, from here, guys, you can just simply go ahead and go for the updates down below. Now, here on the updates, you should be able to see all of your channels. So to remove the channels from WhatsApp or delete a channel, you could just simply select the channel. And now here on the channel, you can just simply select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen, and you will have a pop-up. And the best option that you have is unfollowing them to remove them. So tap on unfollow. And now after that, it will have an option that are you sure you want to unfollow because stars will be removed from updates in this channel. So just simply select unfollow, guys. And after you have done that, you should be able to remove a channel into one of your channels over here. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. And guys, if you have any questions, comment down below. Thanks for watching.